Hello, welcome to my online class. I'm happy to meet you again today. We are here to discover one of the software application we use. Today we are going to learn how we can use a software application called the Google Map. What do we know about Google Map? First of all, what we call a Google Map. A Google Map helps you to allocate places all over the globe on a map. Let us say from my location where I am right now, I am at Gulu University. I want to go to Gulu main market. I can use a Google Map to get the shortest possible route or the shortest possible path or the shortest possible distance with also their groups. Now, when I am using a Google Map, first of all, I must know the importance of Google Map. Google Map helps to identify the places with their groups. I don't know the other place, Google main market, but I'm going to use the Google Map. I go and search for Google Map on my Google. Now I'm going to look for where Google Map is. I type I go to my Google, then I look for Google Map. I look for Google Map. Stay focused on the screen there. I look for Google Map. I'm going to use Google Map. Yes. This one is the application I'm talking about, the Google Map. It is loading. It is loading. Now, in this Google Map, remember it is showing the map of, this one is the map of Uganda. What I'm going to do, because I want to go from where I am, which is Gulu University, up to Gulu main market, I am going to enter the location. The location of where I am right now, we call it the starting location, and it's a direction. If you allow Google to allocate your place, to have access over your location, then you're going to allow Google. But if you have not allowed it because of the setting, you go and enter your location. Right now I am in the Gulu University. I'm going to enter Gulu University. Is where I am. It is my starting point. Gulu University. And I am going to enter. Now, when I enter Gulu University, it will bring the map of specifically that place where I am, and we can see that Gulu University is within here, where you're seeing the cursor is moving. But for me, I want to move from Gulu University to the Gulu main market. I am going to enter Gulu main market as my final destiny because I want to reach there. Gulu main market. Are you seeing here? We have Gulu main market. Then I am going to search. Now, if I enter search, we find that Gulu University is here. Are you seeing it? Then we have Gulu main market is here. Now, the use of Google Map, it helps us to identify these two places, Gulu main market, then Gulu University. Right now, I am in Gulu University. If I want to go where there's Gulu main market, I can follow this path. I can follow this path where you're seeing the cursor is moving. Or I have another path to follow. There's this direction I can take. I can take this route. I come here, I branch here. That is when I want to go to Gulu main market. This is how we can use Google Map on our various phones, on our various computer. It makes work easier. Remember, I am here, I want to go to China. There's a place in China, whatever name it may bring, but I don't know the direction. I am going to enter my location here where there is. Then I enter the final destination, I search. After looking, it will direct me onto the shortest possible route, plus their grid even. If I'm riding, if I can ride, it will show us even the minute. If I'm driving, if I can drive, it will show us also the minute. This is how we can use the Google Map. I told you with the Google Map, it can also take even your grid. Google Map can take your grid. Google Map can allocate you. It helps to navigate all places all over the globe. Thank you for being on my class. Thank you for attending this. I wish that we go and join this. We go and practice how we can use this map. It can help, it may help, because most of us, we know little, we don't know many places. We use Google Map to identify where we are. Shalom, you are welcome. Please subscribe for more video to come. Thank you.